Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorial. Today we are talking about how to send one-time video on WhatsApp. Why would you want to know how to send one-time video on WhatsApp? Well, maybe it is your first time using WhatsApp and not sure how to send one-time video on WhatsApp. So today I am going to show you how to send one-time video on WhatsApp. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Sending one-time video on WhatsApp is quite simple and the process is easy to do. First of all, open WhatsApp. Now you are seeing camera icon at the top. You can send one-time video from there as well. If you are willing to send during a chat, it is also easy. First of all, open a chat. Now you are seeing camera icon at the bottom right side. Click on it. Now select a video. Now you are seeing one written here. Click on it. Now it is green. It means now if you will send it to anyone, they will just be able to open it once. Click on send icon. Your video will be delivered and once the other person open it, they will not be able to see it twice. There you go. If you wanted to know how to send one-time video on WhatsApp, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way, to leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.